Oh my God. See, that makes it hard to move, but it's only there's a haddock up there. We're drifting that way towards haddocks.
Look at that, 3.
Only 3.
Only 3. Red. Nice red. It's red. Look at this. Some big one. Look at that. Look. Post these. Hey, what's up you all? This is Steve, your Captain Chef. Thank you for tuning in my channel. During the fishing trip, we also spend a little bit time fishing the redfish. Today with this fresh catch, I'm going to share with you a recipe. It's called steamed redfish, meant for cooking, healthy eating. Without further ado, let's get started. To clean the fish, first remove the scale. Then sever the end of the intestine. Now insert a pair of chopsticks on each side through the gill and into the abdominal. Twist the chopstick a few times and pull the gut along with the gill. Make a long slice cut on the back of the muscle. On the other side, make a cut in the middle, and then flay towards the tail and the head with the end attached. This will make the fish to be fast cooked. Now we need to prepare some ginger, scallion, and red pepper shred. Steam the fish for 3 to 6 minutes, depending on the size of the fish. Put the veggie shred on the fish and then pour hot oil. Apply soy sauce over the fish. This is steamed red fish I'm talking about. It is easy and tasty. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumb up and be sure to subscribe my channel. Your support is very important to me. Thanks for watching. Until next time, you take care.